Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times were cherished. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that.
Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm Amoy, and if you're new here, you are welcome. If you have been watching my content, then welcome back to another video. In today's video, I have yet another headband wig for you guys. And if you have been watching my content, or if you are a returning subscriber, you guys know that I love headband wigs. I have about 3 different videos on my channel of me reviewing and styling headband wigs. So yeah, you can definitely check those out if you're interested. But today's video is actually sponsored by Wequeen. Thank you so much, Wequeen, for sponsoring this video. And the wig that I have for you today is actually their grab and go headband wig in the texture 3C, in the length 16 inches. I believe the color that they sent me is a 1B, but to me it looks more like a natural color. So I'll have all the details in the description box for you guys in case you're interested. Links to their website, the link to the wig, and other wigs that they have. So you can definitely go ahead and follow Wequeen on Instagram, Facebook, and on YouTube. So I'll have everything down there for you guys, so go ahead and check it out. Oh, and of course I do have a discount code where you can get 15% off the wig if you decide to get the wig from them, or if you decide to order anything from their website. So go ahead and check that out. So yeah, let's jump into the styling portion of this video.
Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times were cherished. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls.
Okay, so prior to making this video, I went ahead and I washed the wig. As you can see, it is looking very big right now, which is fine. I love the versatility, because as soon as I add some water and conditioner, it is back to those tamed looking curls, you know, that pretty looking curl, which is fine. I love that. I love the versatility. So yeah, I went ahead and washed it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on and show you guys how it is looking. As you can see, my edges are already laid. I like to do my edges off camera and give them time to set. So yeah. So I'm just attaching the adjustable piece in the back first, and then I can work on the rest. And what I love about this wig is that it has like a comb in the front. I've talked about that so much on my channel, how much I love when a headband wig, they actually have a comb in the front, because I love the extra security. Oh, this is very snug. This is not going anywhere. Wow. Oh my god, guys, so this is how the wig is looking with no product, none whatsoever. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is beautiful. Like, this is just under 5 minutes, guys. You could just put this on and get out the house. Oh my goodness. Wow. Guys, I'm really loving this wig. So if you're a person who loves like big hair, then this is the wig for you, because it just gives you this kind of, you know, African princess vibes, this Afro kind of vibe. This is really beautiful. So yeah, this is the first way you could actually wear this wig. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and try some of these headbands on because I'm loving this look. I don't know, but this wig is, I am definitely feeling it. I am. And you guys can see, it's just beautiful. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try this pink one on and see how it looks. Hopefully I don't get makeup on it. Oh. Alright, so this is the first headband. Oh my gosh, guys. Let me turn this light down. It is cute.
Baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times we'll cherish. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you, yeah. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute.
Alright guys, so this is pretty much the end of this video and my final thoughts on this wig. I love it. I cannot like vouch for longevity as yet because I just got the wig, but so far I'm loving it. You guys see how versatile it is. You saw the amount of styles that I was able to like do with this wig. Guys, I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. Like before I even defined the curls, I was getting like pretty much tons of style with this. I was loving that big look. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Let me know if you feel the same way like I do, because this wig is bomb. So don't forget that I have all the details in the description box, and I do have a discount code for you guys. You get 15% off if you go ahead and use my code. So yeah, go ahead, like this video, comment down below, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that because you don't want to miss future videos. All right, so I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.